my basket. I only had like 2 things visibly seen in my basket, which was the 2 big things I just showed y'all, and then my candy. Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ari, and we're back with another video. Right now I'm in Dunkin' Donuts line. I'm gonna get me a drink. I don't even know what drink I want to get. Actually, I'm just gonna get my regular vanilla bean colada because I don't really know about the coffee right now. I don't know, I'm not really feeling coffee. I just want a colada. Okay, y'all, so I basically had a phone call, so that's why I wasn't able to vlog. But I got my Dunkin' Donuts drink. I just got the a colada. I'm at the car wash. I'm gonna get my car washed, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna just clean out, you know, the little papers and shit I have here. But I'm scared because this is my first time getting the car wash since I got the car, and I need to clean it because it got my windows. Well, not my windows, but the front of my car. Oh, and I don't understand. I can sit in it. I can sit in it. I don't. Oh no, I can't sit in it. I gotta go inside. Hold on, before I do that, I'm gonna clean my car out though. Just a little bit, just a little tad. So you know, like, throw that away. Now give me a second, cause I am not ready. I'm not prepared at all. They waiting on me. Hold on. Oh no, this is what I need, girl. I'm bugging. I'm sorry. Hold on. I'm getting my car washed. So first I got the car. I'm nervous, but I thought they got me. But we are here. So y'all, my phone needs to stay up here, please. Thank you. Okay. So y'all, I just got my car washed. The inside of my car still look the same. My mom told me she got me some wipes for my car, so I'm gonna wipe my car off when I get home. But as of right now, we're about to go to Old Navy to return these clothes I bought, and then that will be that. And then I'll take you guys in store with me and show you guys what's next for the day. Y'all, tell me why I'm driving, but it's okay because I'm about to go to Old Navy. But tell me why I just threw away my receipt, cleaning out my car fast, being fast, okay? Threw away my receipt to go to Old Navy to return my stuff that I do not need or whatever, because you need the receipt because they're not gonna back if you don't have the receipt. So I had told him I need that because if I don't have it, I can't do my return. This is gonna mess up my whole day, my whole thing I had planned for today. So he went and got me the receipt, and I got it. We're about to go to Old Navy right now. We're like 9 minutes away, so I'll see you guys at Old Navy. Y'all, I'm at the same light, and it's just like taking so long. Since I'm already over here in this area, like I want to just get this out the way first before I go all the way out that way. Cause I'm planning on staying out there until I gotta go pick up my madre. My chin. One thing I could say about this whole journey with all of this going on, like I could honestly say that my chin broke out bad, like very bad. Like I used to have 1 or 2 little bumps, but now it's like really freaking bad. It's like I don't even know. I can't even count. I'm not riding fast, but I'm just gonna go on the street so I can turn. What was I to say? My chin really has broken out, and I don't like the camera angle because I feel like it's too low, and I don't have any other like tripod. I mean, I have another thing right here, but that is not gonna. It's gonna fall, and it's too far away, and it's like getting too much everything. I don't want to be on camera right now. So, with that being said, I gotta drive careful where I'm going because this shit falls all the time, and it's bad. It But we're about to go pay for this food that we're catering. Well, some food that we're catering from this spot right here. And then I'm going to be damn, red light. Red stop sign. But pay for my catering food today so I can be out the way, not to worry about it or whatever the case may be. And then damn, I want to park somewhere, but I don't know where to park at. There's no spaces over here. Hold on. Hey y'all, so I just got back from the Jamaican restaurant. I got me for lunch, I just got me 2 chicken patties because that's the best I like to go to. We're about to go to, I need some air. We're about to go to Old Navy now to do this return. I'm going to Party City to get some candy for the gift bags. Not gift bags, the candy bags. That's gonna be on the treat table. And then I should be done with majority of everything I have to do today. With that being said, we're about to go head that way now, and then I'm gonna do a little sit and eat and talk, I guess, portion of the video while I wait for my mom. I'm breaking out so bad on my chin. I don't even want to show you, but I want to show you guys. It's not even like, I don't even know how to explain it. But like, it's like, I don't know. The little bumps turn into like, I pick at them. And I know you're not supposed to pick at them. You're supposed to just leave it alone. But girl, like, it just be bothering me. I don't want it on my face at all. So if you guys could recommend me something like for a chin, I don't know, I don't even want to call it chin acne, because give me some tips or like give me some products I can use or try out or like look into before I just try anything on my face, because I do not want to try something out and not break out even more. Like, that is just not what I want happening to me. I came here the other day and I got the same parking I was in, and I'm parking again in the same spot I was at, period. Right in front of the store too, and right in front of the other store I gotta go to. If it's, hold on, they took Party City away. They took Party City away. Party City is gone. Yeah, I got my return. I got my refund for my items. So part of me want to go to Five Below, which is like right over there. I guys can see it, but it's over there. To go get like a sanitizer for my bag, and maybe hold on. So I'm just gonna go in there and get sanitizer, maybe some wipes right now to clean out my car so I can feel like it's clean. I mean, we're gonna just go in there. We're in Five Below. There's a big sanitizer there, but I want small ones for like my bag. There you go. This is $2.
And it's to myself, waking up. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here.
So I found the candy, and I only bought 10 for myself. I didn't buy candies for the candy bags because, like I said, I did go to a different store a different day for that. I don't know if homeboy was trying to be funny in there, but the worker. But this is what I paid for at what's it called? I paid $5.05, and then I got some wipes from my car. I'm gonna wipe my car out real fast, and then I got the 10 candies for $1.25. I was gonna get candies from what's it called? From what's it called? Damn. From Party City, but the Party City is closed over here, so can't do that. I'm about to head over there to where I gotta go pick her up from, and then we are out. Yeah, like I was saying, I don't know if he's trying to be funny here, but like he basically, as soon as I came to the fucking self-checkout, he like grabbed my basket. Bitch, I don't have shit in my basket. I only have like 2 things visibly seen in my basket, which is the 2 big things I just showed y'all, and then my candy. So I don't know if he's seen that me, and you know I'm just help her out, but I didn't ask for your help, sir. It gives me that I was gonna take the shit. It's Five Below, and I don't need to do that. But I don't know. Maybe I'm reading it wrong, but it was like as soon as I got to the register, well, self checkout, it was just like, damn. He didn't even give me time to put my basket down, because I was going to put it down and then figure out what the fuck to do on the screen. But he just came over and just assisted himself, which is cool, but you ain't just do that to the other person right there. No tea, no shade. Got parts. We must eat our food because I'm hungry. Like, really hungry. Like, for real. We got 2. I'm about to go on TikTok live. I just got finished wiping down my screens, my dashboard, my middle console. Don't mind the floor. Oh my gosh, that looks bad. I wiped down the middle console. I'm about to put this down here, and put the candies back in here, and then throw this cup away. I put my candy wrapper in here already. I might eat another candy. I don't know which one I want. I'm taking these. There we go. I'm back, you guys, and I got me some food. I'm gonna take it out real fast because I got gravy all over the bag, so I put it in the plastic bag. So once I take it out, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So what I got, plus a little bit of mac and cheese, barbecue chicken. What do you think? It's so good. I'm about to eat and watch some YouTube and kick it.